Welcome to
Rhyme time today. Today we're singing Nine Fine Swine.
We're doing the word family or the rhyme ein. So we're going to teach you the song first. If you know the song Three Blind Mice, you'll know this song. So we're going to practice it and be listening and looking with our eyes for ein. Here we go. It goes like this. 9 fine swine, 9 fine swine, went out to dine, went out to dine. They gobbled up everything in sight, chewed and chomped each delicious bite. It really was the most wonderful night for 9 fine swine, 9 fine swine. All right, we're gonna sing the song to the music. Here we go.
Nine fine swine, 9 fine swine, went out
To dine, went out to dine.
They gobbled up everything in sight, chewed and chomped each delicious bite. It really was the most wonderful night for 9
fine swine,
9 fine swine, 9 fine swine,
went out to dine, went out to dine.
they gobbled up everything in sight, chewed and chomped each delicious bite. It really was the most wonderful night for 9
fine swine,
9
fine swine.
9.
There we go. All right, so now we're going to circle those words with the ein. So get your eyes out. Let's start. Andrina's going to be our circler. Leanna's going to be our pointer.
9.
Okay, so Drina, you can't go in front of the words. There you go. 9. Can you watch? Yep, you just go on top. Swine. 9.
Did that.
Fine. That's okay. She wants to look for it. There's another one. Fine swine went out to dine.
Went out to dine.
They gobbled up everything in sight. They chew. Oh, why that one? Does that say ein? Sight? Ein?
Whoopsie, whoopsie
Nope.
daisy.
You thought it would because it's at the end. Lots of our rhyming words come at the end.
Each
Delicious bite. It really was the most wonderful night for 9 fine swine. Awesome. Okay.
Big circle.
Everybody, next, get ready for our making words with the ein family. Okay, welcome back for our making words lesson. If you don't have these already, you need to get some letters. You can also write them at the top of your paper with pencil, or you could get a whiteboard and marker and eraser, whatever you'd like to do. So I'll give you time to get those. We need the word family I, N, E, or ein. Then we have f, d, o, n, s, h, w, t. So we need F, D, L, N, S, H, W, T. And then your word family. Here we go. The first word I want you to make is the number 9. 9. My daughter is 9 years old. That's right. Bring that N down. Let's say it. Ein. 9. The next word is fine. I feel fine today, which means okay, good. That's right. Bring that F down. Let's say it. Ein. Fine. Pull this D down. And let's read that word. Do you know it? Let's hear if you had it. Ein. Dine. We dine in the evening. The next word I'd like you to make is line. The kids will line up for lunch. Line. You've got it. Bring the L down. Read it with me. Ul. Ein. Line. Now we're going to use the sh. Two letters make sh, like shell. You've got it. Bring down that sh. Let's see what this says now. Sh, ein, shine. The car will shine after it's washed. Shine. You're going to change one letter in shine to make swine. It's another name for like a pig. Swine. That's right. Bring that W down. Let's say it. Ein. Together. Swine. And right now we have the word wine. And we're going to bring down one more letter. Can you bring this T down? Let's think about what this makes. Tw. All together. Twine. It's kind of like rope. We use twine to wrap our present. Twine. All right, let's take these letters down. And we're going to be writing those words now that we just made. Let's get started. The first word is 9. My daughter is 9 years old. 9. So we're going to write 9. Ein. 9. There's that word family. The next word, fine. Ein. Fine. Dine. Put your diaper on the back there. Ein. Dine. D-I-N-E. Next word is line. Ein. Line. Our next word is shine. See if you remember those two letters that say shh. There it is. Ein. Look at all these words you know now that you know ein. Shine. The next word is swine. Ein. Swine. And our last word is twine. Ein. Twine. I didn't go too fast. Remember, in all these lessons, you can always stop and pause the video as I'm writing and as you write it so you can catch up with us. Okay, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to read our words with the Ein family. Read them with me. 9, fine, dine, line, shine. That says sw. Let's try it. Swine. The TW says tw. Put it together. Twine. Great job today with your making words and reading them with our rhyme. Ein. See you next time.
Bye everybody. Thank you for coming to Rhyme Time today. Good job learning your
word family.
Word family. And
If you haven't already, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel.
And have a nice rest of your day.
And then you'll get alerted every time we have a new activity up. So, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.